Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Sam, and I'm on my morning walk today. I wanted to talk to you about a question that I received. I thought it was a very good question. This gentleman just had cataract surgery, and he was asking me whether it's still worthwhile to take his eye nutrients and do his eye exercises. So the answer to the question is yes, yes, yes. Of course, you want to keep doing them. You know, the eyes and the brain are so interrelated and connected. And even though we have some surgery to the eye, if we keep exercising our brain and eyes together, especially when we've had some kind of a surgical procedure, number one, it helps us integrate the new information that we got, which is this new plastic lens that is now in the eye. And second of all, in order to keep your visual system working really strongly, you want to do your eye exercises because it will strengthen and improve the visual skills, the visual coordination, the visual focus that's generated from the brain, because we don't see just from the eyes, but we also see from the brain. You know, one of my philosophies is that we want to blame faulty vision on a deteriorating eyeball. And it's not the eyeball's fault. A lot of times the programming could be things like what we say to our eyes in terms of our emotional health. It could be psychologically based. It could also be in terms of our nutrition, our posture. So a lot of times, you know, when there's an eye condition, again, I've said this before, a lot of times there can be a systemic and metabolic reason why our eyes change. And certainly in cataracts, that's a metabolism problem with antioxidants. It's probably happening not just in the eye, but it's also happening other places as well. So you want to continue to take your eye nutrients. Make sure you're taking your lutein and zeaxanthin because, you know, now that you have this plastic lens in your eye, you're more susceptible to the blue-white light pollution from the digital devices. So you're going to need to use blue blocking lenses, but I would also recommend lutein and zeaxanthin. And then in terms of the eye exercises, any of them are really good because when you're doing your eye exercises, you're not only exercising the eyes, but you're exercising the brain. And so in terms of answering your question, sir, I think most definitely you want to keep doing your eye exercises. Think of it as a kind of a post-surgical physical therapy. Like if you had any surgery, you would want to do some physical therapy exercises to help you integrate the surgical change. It's the same with the eyes. So I hope that's helpful. Definitely, if you've had any eye surgery, keep doing your eye exercises, keep taking your eye nutrients. You want to have your eyes for a lifetime. Thank you so much for coming on.